Chef Buck here, and today we're going to fry us up some green tomatoes. Or sort of green, but a green tomato is just an unripe tomato. So the more they sit around, the more they're going to ripen. You want to slice them as thick or thin as you like. I kind of like mine a little bit on the thin side. See how wet they are? We want to dry them out a little bit. We're going to go ahead and take a little bit of salt. You know, and you can do this with kale. You can do this with all kinds of vegetables. Just put a little bit of salt on them, and that'll draw even more of the moisture out, and then we'll pat these down in just a little bit after some more of that water has been drawn out. But while these are sitting, we'll go ahead and get our breading station ready. Put a little bit of flour in a dish, and then we're going to put a little bit more flour in another dish. Not a crazy amount of flour, because then we're going to add some cornmeal. And it's going to be a lot more cornmeal than flour, about twice as much cornmeal. So let me go ahead and mix up my flour and my cornmeal. I'm going to put some garlic powder in because I love garlic powder. And I'm going to put it in this and this, because the more seasonings you have, the better it is. I got some Italian seasoning. I'm going to go ahead and put the Italian seasoning in just with the flour. And I'm going to put some black pepper in with the cornmeal and flour. I'm going to put a little bit of paprika just for the heck of it. And I'm not going to put any salt because I've already got salt on the tomato, and that's going to be plenty, I think. Let me go ahead and crack my egg and whisk it up. Ooh, look at that. Almost like I meant to do it. I'm going to add a splash of water in here with my egg, a little bit of cold water. Kind of like what you would do with the tempura. Get it nice and whisked up. So these have been sitting for about 5 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and pat them dry. And this will help to make our fried green tomatoes a little crispier if we get some of this moisture out of here. There you go, they're not as shiny anymore. Got a lot of that water off. Out on medium heat, and I got the bottom of my skillet covered with oil. Not a crazy amount of oil, I probably just got an eighth of an inch. Let me give my eggs another whisk and froth them up. So we'll take a green tomato, and we're just going to coat it in the flour. This is just the flour without the cornmeal. Then we're going to set it in the egg mixture here. And then we'll just dip in our cornmeal flour mixture here.
Oh, my mouth is watering already. We've been in the South eating a lot of fried food.
They should start sizzling right away when they hit that oil. Fried green tomatoes make a great side dish or a great appetizer. And it doesn't take too long to cook. You know, it's all right to eat a raw tomato. Check it here, that looks pretty good. So it gets a little bit of a golden color on there. And my oil's sizzling away, but I don't have it so hot that it's popping and smoking. And I'm using a medium grind for the cornmeal. You can use medium, you can use a fine grind. Let's check this first one here. That's looking pretty good. So we'll go ahead and get them out. Now this is how I like a fried green tomato. It's got a little bit of crunchy breading on it, but it's not. Let's look through the breading and see if we can find the tomato type situation. That's all there is to fried green tomatoes. Give it a thumbs up. You know, share the recipe. You know, if you want to print this recipe, go to myfoodchannel.com. You can print all our recipes over there. But definitely give this fried green tomato recipe a try. Let us know what you think. We'll see you in the future. Bye-bye.